the defense uh, establishment complete, armed forces, supporting organizations, DRDO, and everyone needs to work very hard if we want to be at that level of. But yes, we are making, हम लोग progress कर रहे हैं. Now we can't compare ourselves to the Americans only because they were independent in 1776.
Absolutely.
We were independent in 1947. We are making strides. But then yes, we will not be pushovers. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें कोई भी कर के चले जाए. It's a big nation with a big and a well-trained and battle-hardened army, air force and navy. We will fight back. Had it been, अगर हमारा देश इतना ही होता तो फिर हम 100वें नंबर पे होते वर्ल्ड में, not among the top 5. People consider us, and with a burgeoning economy and a growing war, we can do wonders. We will fight it back. So nothing, as far as the civilians are concerned, they should not be
That's
very
right.
worried about
And I think the size of the country is also
is a matter. Yeah,
it's an advantage
is an
also,
advantage.
क्योंकि
Yes,
आपकी
yeah,
इतनी बड़ी country
इतनी
है
बड़ी
that
country आप कहाँ से कितना cover
कितना
करोगे?
क्या करोगे, right? So
You can. It's not possible to capture and start ruling a country like India. You cannot.
Right.
You cannot do that. Not even in the dreams you can do it. Yes, you can inflict some damage on some sectors, but that is how we retaliate and how it was goes on. So yeah, but it in the same light, I would say ki we still need to work hard. We need to be like we are all doing in all spheres,
Not
whether it's economics, whether it's economy, whether it's trying to make a Viksit Desh, whether whatever we are doing, we are.
No, and I really like the idea that, even within weaponry, if we can start looking at becoming
Self-reliant. Absolutely, because in terms of war, it might so happen that the weaponry which you have, that country you are against,
Right.
it goes against you. So obviously, those things will matter. But then that's how the world is. That is how the man has been through ages. He will continue. Fighting will never go out. You need to be prepared for it. You need to better yourself every single day. That's how it goes. Yeah.
Lovely. What I'd love to talk about now is, this concept of this alpha man or alpha male.
Yeah.
And, like masculinity ki there's a mindset of a way a man should be. Men need to be strong. They need to fight. I'm sure you get this a lot of, you have to be an alpha man. And then there's the second perspective of ki nahi, men also have feelings, have emotions. And, there's a lot more thought of not pushing masculinity or alpha masculinity
Toxic
around
masculinity.
toxic masculinity around, and especially for the youth. But वो जब आप देखते हैं वो perception ही होता है कि मेरे को ऐसा दिखना है, ऐसा करना है, ऐसे लड़ना है. As a man, for the youth, क्या advice है आपकी, and how do you perceive this outlook?
Okay. First, I will tell you about the part of a mindset, a special forces mindset. I travel across the country for talks. And especially I meet young students, colleges and all, corporates and all, and elder people. I don't resonate with them much. I don't get that kind of energy in them. Yeah. So youth ko I address like every week. I'm traveling nearly on the weekends and everything, and then I conduct my personality development, self-defense classes. So youth is the primary focus.
Right.
And whatever channel I have, so 70% are, 95% are youth only. So what I tell them first of all is, in life,